video tutorial, I will show you how to clean all the cache and junk files in Windows 11. Lot of cache and junk files are taken by the system that affects your performance. So proceed to delete them, but before this, subscribe to the channel for more tech and videos. The first step is to delete temporary files and prefetch data. The first location is in temp. To do this, right click on the window icon and open run and type temp. Lot of files will be there. Select on all the files and proceed to delete them. Some file will not be deleting, so just skip them. Now again open run and this type temp %temp%. Do the same type of stuff there. Select on all the files and proceed to delete them. It will also grant administrator permissions, so let's continue. Again open run and this type prefetch. Do the same stuff here. At the end, these files are stored in the recycle bin, so also empty the recycle bin. The next step is to delete Windows Update data. This is stored in a special location in local disk C and then in the Windows folder. And in the Windows folder, scroll down to software distribution. There it is. Open it and in it open downloads folder. Delete all the files present there. They are cache files. Again, don't forget to empty the recycle bin. The next step is to perform disk cleanup. To do this, search for disk cleanup and open it. Proceed to clean local disk C. Now select the option I am selecting. Let's delete them. It will take a little bit of time, so wait for it. The last step is to clear your browser cache. To do this, open any browser and open its history. And in the history, open its advanced history. Clear all the browsing data. It will grant an access to delete which files. So leave cookies and site data and delete downloads, browsing and cached image and files. Do this type of stuff to every browser you have. This was all. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos.